Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow security notifications on WhatsApp Web for your PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to stay informed about your account's security. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to enable these important notifications. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chats. Now, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu with various options. Find and click on Settings. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs. We're looking for the Account option. Click on that to proceed. In the Account section, you'll find various security and privacy settings. What we're interested in is the Security Notifications option. Give that a click. Now you're in the Security Notifications page. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that says, Show Security Notifications on this computer. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply click on that switch to enable it. When it turns blue, you'll know it's activated. By turning this on, you're ensuring that WhatsApp will alert you to any important security events related to your account. This could include notifications about changes in a contact's security code or other potential security risks. It's that easy. You've now successfully allowed security notifications on WhatsApp Web for your PC. This simple step goes a long way in keeping your account secure and giving you peace of mind while using WhatsApp on your computer. Remember, staying informed about your account's security is crucial in today's digital age. These notifications will help you catch any suspicious activity early on, allowing you to take quick action if needed. Thanks for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to keep your WhatsApp and browser up to date to ensure you have access to the latest security features. Stay safe and happy chatting.